welcome back. So we are going to do an analysis on the casing. So I'm going to remove these assemblies for the completion job. So I'll do delete so that I can remain only with the casings, and I can do an analysis on casings. So I'm going to delete these selections. I hope you understood how to do it. Okay, so I've deleted those. So I'm going to put on one string, which is a tubing. I'll put in only one, which is a tubing. Purposes of today, and I can share a data set that has more, and put in a tubing. This tubing is around 4 diameter is 4, then I choose 4.8 K55, and then okay. So I'll put in the other details of this tubing. Our tubing can go up to need to put in the border inner diameter, which is 3.2. Then you see, we finally have the 3D view. This is the 3D view showing our casing wear. As you can view, you realize that it's in green, so we are not having so much of this wear. If you want to see inside the casing, you can click here. If you want to see the worst case where, you open it up. If you want to put in grids, you put it inside the grid. If you want to show the string, you can show the string. So if you don't want, you can leave it out. So this is how our simulation looks like in 3D. I hope we can all get this. So you can see that our well trajectory has no big problem. We have a very good view of the 3D graph for our casing, where if it's in green, it means that it's okay. So I hope we've all reached here. So I'll leave the other parts for you people to practice with, and maybe I'll share a data set. I can share the same data set for you people. For me to share this data set, I'll just come here on home, and then I can generate a report, summary, casing wear detail report, summary report. So I can get the detailed report so that I can share it with you, and you download it and use it, get out your work. So I'm generating a report from the work that we've been doing. I hope you can practice and enjoy working with casing wear. There are very many data sets you can get from anywhere, and you practice with. I hope you'll enjoy your time working with casing wear. So if this report fails, I can use another report. Thank you very much.